I will show you a picture and you've got 10 seconds. So find something in your room that resembles it. We will play 5 rounds and you will explain what you found. Okay, so I'll go to share screen. We'll go here. So first, Patricia, pick a number.
11.
11. Find something expensive. You've got 10 seconds. Find something expensive. Everybody has to find, not just Patricia. Everybody has to find. Not just Patricia. 5, 4, 3. Rosita, don't leave. What is she finding? 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, Patricia, what do you have?
My phone.
What kind of phone do you have?
It's Huawei phone.
Yeah.
So it's not that expensive like an iPhone, but it's expensive to me. So.
Okay, Ashmit, what do you have?
I have an iPad. That's not mine. It's my dad. He left it over here, so I picked it up.
Excellent. Well, it's still expensive. Rosita, what were you looking for?
I don't have anything here, so maybe I will this thing.
A tripod. Okay, that's very smart of you. Barbara, what do you have?
My cell phone.
What kind of phone is it?
It's an iPhone 8, I guess.
Okay, you've got an expensive phone. Letty, what do you have?
Yeah.
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Everybody's got Hawaii, Samsung, and iPhone. I feel like we're very diverse. Okay, next. Ashmit, quickly pick.
5.
Number 5. Find your favorite book. You've got 10 seconds. Any book. Whoa, Barbara, you're so quick.
I don't have anything.
I know. I work at a publishing company here in Brazil, so.
Rosita, I'm so sorry that I didn't warn you about this game. Next time, I'll tell you. Okay, Barbara, tell me about your book.
It's 5 Languages of Love. It's very famous. I really enjoy reading this.
That's on my...
Essential for relationships.
I really want to read that. Really, really. It's...
Yeah, I love this book.
Okay, we will make a book club and our next book will be the 5 Languages of Love. Patricia, what is that book?
I have a hippie from Paulo Coelho.
Oh, oh, that's so cool. Have you finished it?
Yes, I have finished it. I'm spoiler, so I'm not going to tell you, but it's about the 70s and the hippie style and traveling, and it's great.
Do you love that kind of that culture, that hippie culture?
Yes, I have a happy state of mind, so I guess yeah.
I love that. That's so awesome. Ashmit, do you have a book?
Yes, I do have a book. This is called Exam Idea. It's mathematics, and I don't have actually a storybook which I really love. It's in my other room. So actually, this book is very special to me because it helped me score full marks last year in last year's exam.
I saw this funny picture where they said, talk about the last book that made you cry. And this one boy brought out a mathematics book and he was an engineering student and he said, this calculus made me cry. Okay, Letty, what book do you have for us?
Dog Patrol that I read with my grandson. And inside we've got puzzles that go with the story.
Oh, that's awesome. What's your grandson's name?
Luke.
Oh.
L-U-K, Luke.
Luke. Ah, okay. And does he love that book?
Yes, it's the thing that kids like.
Ah, that looks...
If you've never seen it, it's all about dogs.
I think next is Barbara. Barbara, pick a number.
Yeah, 16 again.
Sweet 16.
Name.
So it's my friend's birthday today, and we were talking in Western cultures. 16 is an important birthday and 21. What about you guys? Are there any really important birthdays in your cultures?
15 here in Brazil.
Okay, in Brazil 15. Why 15?
And 18. I don't know, it's like sweet 16, but 15. And 18 too.
Okay, interesting.
When you can drive.
When you can drive and legally drink?
Drink, yeah.
Okay. Leti, what about you?
Years ago it was 21,
Mm-hmm.
and then they brought it down to 18.
Okay. So the drinking, the legal age was brought down to 18?
Well, it was 21 before because they said you got the key to the house.
Right,
and
right.
you got more responsibilities. And then with the modern age, they brought it down to 18.
So
you can choose when you want to celebrate.
Oh, that's awesome. Actually, you're right. A lot of people, when you turn 21, they give you like a key, and they say it's the keys to the house. So actually, it was my brother's 21st birthday 12 years ago. And 12 years ago, he turned 21, and he sent us this photo of all of us together 12 years ago when he was 21. Would you guys want to see me when I was 21? We're going to continue. 16. Find some technology, not your phone. Patricia, what's that? The remote for the TV?
Yes.
Letty also has a remote. Barbara, what do you have?
E-reader.
You've got books and
Kindle?
e-readers. It's like you've got everything around you.
I do.
Rosita, did you have something?
This is the more technology thing I found in my room.
I appreciate your try-hardness. I appreciate that. I'll give that 1 point. Ashmeet, what do you have?
I have this torch.
A torch, nice. Are you going camping soon?
No.
I was so sad. I wanted to go camping this summer, and I bought myself a torch, and I never went camping. So if anybody wants a free torch, I'll send it to you. Find something sticky. I'm going to skip that. She's got peanut butter somewhere, doesn't she? Okay. This poor baby. Look at this baby. Okay, you got some stickers. Excellent. Okay, guys, so this is a really fun game where you can pick something, find the longest thing, find something made out of paper, find something with your family. So this game is really fun. It gets the students really excited for everything. Okay, I'm going to, I think, wow, I thought this games would go quick, but I'm having so much fun with you guys.